Hello, my YouTube family. How are y'all doing? Can y'all see us? Here, show your face. It's been such a wonderful, blessed day today. Yes, it has been. It's been a glorious day today. Yes, it's been good. I'm tired, y'all. This coronavirus thing got people just acting crazy. But you gotta trust in God, because that's who I trust in, because He's my everything. But yes, guys, today we're gonna mukbang American Deli. Y'all see that? Ooh, I dropped my fry, but I ain't gonna pick it up and eat it. I'm gonna leave it down there. And Kira also we have Philly cheese steak. Yes, we